Hey guys!
We're making slime.
In alphabetical order. A is for Alphabetical.
It's go time. Hey Scooter, pour plenty.
Add a little more. You know we can't go back. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
What's our B ingredient? Bees?
Ow. I'm not trying to get stung. B is for baking soda. I'm dumping it all in. Let me guess. C is for Coachella.
Seriously, Joy? You can't fit Coachella in slime? C is for Captain Crunch. D is for deodorant. Try to be funny, bird.
D is actually for dish soap. What is the E for?
Elephants? No, eyeballs.
I've been eyeballing you.
Is F for foam balls? You guessed it, bird.
Let's dump it, sister. I know what G is for. Glitter?
No, glue.
Hey friends, what is the H for?
If you guess hearts,
You're right.
what's next? The letter I.
I is for ice cream? No way! Ice cream is for eating, not for slime.
No, I is actually for ice. J is for jazz. Have you ever seen jazz and slime?
J is for Jules. That slime is rich.
K is for karate.
Put some karate in that slime. We can't do that. Okay, get it, K. Is L for lipstick?
No way. We are not making lipstick slime.
L is for lotion.
N is for modeling clay. Is N for nails?
Oh no, stay away from my nails.
N is for ninja. Hey, get in that slime.
Is O for octopus?
Ew!
O is for ocean water.
Ocean water.
P is for
Palms. Q is for quinoa.
Say what? Are you hungry? Q is for
Water.
R is for
Rat. It's Bird and Scooter.
no guys. R is for red glitter.
S is for swag. No, it's for sequin.
What is the T for?
Toys. I like toys. Me too.
You guys, do you know what U is for?
Uncle Richard. Uncle Red.
No, unicorn scales.
Unicorn scales. That looks like glitter to me.
Where's your imagination?
V is for violin.
In slime, I think not.
What's your ingredient?
Violet sequin. Violet is my color. I know what W is for.
Whipped cream.
No, white clay. Is X for X-ray?
I think it's for a xylophone. Xerox machine?
What? X, guys. Just X. Hey, guys. Can you think of a slime ingredient that begins with Y?
Yo-yo, Yahoo, yellow.
Yellow is so bright. Did you all come up with any Z words?
Zoo?
Tell me it's a zebra.
Sorry, all I have is a Z.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Let's mix it.
Alphabetical order slime. Not bad. Would you all play at the slime? Comment down below. For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.